Welcome to Restoration Shots. Today we are bringing this abandoned Nissan GTR back to life. Cleaning and disassembly. A time lapse of cleaning, removing dust and disassembling parts. Start by cleaning and stripping it down to work on those key areas. Scene 2. Repair and restoration. Fixing the engine, repainting and refreshing the interior. And now we repair the engine, restore the paint and refresh the interior. Scene 3. Final reveal. The restored GTR looking brand new. And here it is, the Nissan GTR restored and ready to hit the road. GTR driving smoothly. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more restoration magic.